All right, welcome to S.A.F.E Fitness Official. This is Scott. I am going to challenge you for 30 days, 30-day challenge, and this is going to be the sit-up kick-through Tyson. It's a compound movement, full body movement, and for beginners, I'm going to challenge you to do this at least 20 times each night. This is part of your night routine before you go to bed. Intermediate, I'm going to challenge you to do 50 times each night for 30 days, and if you're advanced, I'm going to challenge you to do 100 or better each night for 30 days and watch how your body changes. I'm gonna start off with the advanced version, but I'm doing this first because I already have the weight vest on. Here's the advanced version. Sit up, post, pivot, Tyson, hollow body, forward on the wrist, hollow body, stretch back to the front, kick through, sit back. And you're gonna go each side, pivot, back, Tyson, hollow body, forward, push, back, kick through. I'm gonna do it one more time each side. Kick through, Tyson, forward, push, hollow body, come back to the front. One more time on the other side. Pivot, kick through, Tyson, forward, push, hollow body, sit down, back down. All right, this is the intermediate version of the sit-up kick-through Tyson. For those who are intermediate, I'll start here. Sit up, post, kick through, back, Tyson. You're not gonna do a push-up. You're gonna come back to the front and sit down. I'm gonna sit up, post, kick through, Tyson. Don't do the push-up. Come back, sit down. Sit up, post, back, Tyson, back, sit down. Post, kick through, Tyson. No push-up, come back, sit down. All right, this is the beginner version of the sit-up kick through Tyson. For you guys that are just starting out. I'll sit up, post, kick through to the plank. No Tyson. Back down. Post, kick through to the plank. Come back, sit down. Post, kick through. Sorry, Tyson. Back to the plank. Sit down. Kick through to the plank. Back, sit down. All right, I want to give y'all some pointers. So the count is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So back on each side is 1. Now I'm going to give you some pointers on doing this. So when you come up, you want to post with this hand back. You don't want to post up here because it's going to make it hard for you to get up. And you're gonna post with the opposite leg, opposite hand. So post here, not here, post back here. And this is the leg that's gonna push you up for it to get into position for your plank and Tyson. So when you push up, push off of this leg. So push, kick through. So push, kick through, okay? Kick through. Then come into your plank, okay? For those of you that are doing the intermediate or the advanced version, I'm gonna show you a little something else. So post, hand back, right? But you wanna try to get this leg a little bit further back because I want you to work to 2 movements instead of 3. So when you post here, I want you back here. So when you turn, you're already here. And I want those knees bent, so you're not gonna stretch all the way out like the beginners do. You're gonna come here, so you're ready for your Tyson, and you can go right into your hollow body. Okay, the intermediate, you're gonna stay at the hollow body. Advanced, you're gonna stay hollow body forward, and you're gonna add a push-up to it. And then you wanna come back to the front. Then when you come back to the front, I wanna show you something. Foot is parallel with the front of your box. Imagine four walls. Your front is parallel with this wall, and then you just kick through back straight and come back down. Now, I'm gonna show you what some people are doing. that are messing them up. So they're coming up and they're trying to kick back. This is not the move, because then you're going to be struggling to try to get around to wherever you need to be for your plank. You're going to kick to the other wall. If this is your box, you're going to kick to the other wall, opposite of the hand that's posting. So come up, kick to the wall, right? Tyson, forward, push, parallel. This is the stretch. I want the stretch in, back to the forward, sit down. All right, guys, if you do this for 30 days, post, comment, let me know. Share this video, let me know, how it's turning out for you. And salute, the S.A.F.E Official. I'm Scott God. I'll talk to y'all on the side. Deuces.